Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. Ever watched a TikTok video and then couldn't find it again? Don't worry, in this video I will show you how to check your watch history on TikTok step by step. First, open TikTok app. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Tap the three lines in the top right corner. Select Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down and look for Activity Center and tap on it. Now tap Watch History. Here you will see the list of videos you have recently watched. You can scroll through and rewatch any video from the list, and that's it. Now you know how to check your TikTok watch history and never lose track of your favorite videos again. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.